email, that a tennis ball is okay, but the sticky ball will do a little bit better job of finding the skin and letting it like push the skin a little bit. When we're talking about fascia, it's got like several layers. And what I learned was that the plantar fascia is a deep layer of fascia. So we need to put a good amount of pressure, a certain amount of pressure to really get in there. Plantar fascia connects right to your heel, and then it fans out and connects through all of these knuckles. And so when we're thinking about plantar fascia, the pain is usually somewhere in here. It could be anywhere in there. But when we're rolling, we want to be moving through that plantar fascia. And that's why the static ball here, there, and there works great. But what I learned a little bit about yesterday was that this moving and rolling actually pushes the skin, and that's going to be really beneficial. So here's what I want you to change up your stuff to on your foot. So I want you to think about cross fibers, heel on the ground, rolling across the knuckles of your foot and letting the toes relax. And so you can see that I'm pushing hard enough that I can see the knuckles of my foot through the skin. And I'm coming all the way to the edge of that. So you're going to get some ball handling work, which is going to strengthen inside your foot, all the way to the edges of that. And we're going to go maybe 2 or 3 times across. So each foot should take about a minute or a minute and a half for the total exercise. Then you're going to move the ball to the arch of your foot, just anywhere in the arch of your foot. And then same thing, inside of the arch to the outside of the arch, and just letting the toes relax. So 2 or 3 good swipes as you kind of press the weight of your body into that in a way that moves the skin. You're going to feel the skin like really moving. And then the next one is on your heel. So it looks like wearing a high heel, but what we're going to do is move through a roll that is right at the heel. So instead of any of the static holding, I want you to start rolling, moving that cross fiber stuff. So you can, it's not adding, it's going to replace what you're already doing. And then, of course, on both feet. And then this key bit about taking a rest, a 24 to 48 hour rest between rolling sessions. And so pick, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday could be a good one. So you could try every day and see if that flares you up, or you could start with 48 hours and see if that keeps you from flaring. Your choice on that one. Okay, honey, keep going.